Hi everybody, it's Mr. Liu. This is page 83. Practice 3. Real world problems, addition and subtraction. Solve. Draw bar models to help you. Alright, so let's look at the example and let's explain the example. So it says, Jake mixes 620 liters of water and 180 liters of syrup to make lemonade. So let's take that one sentence, let's find it in my bar model. So here we have 620 liters of water, that's my first bar model, and we have 180 liters of syrup, and that's how they're making lemonade. Okay? He adds another 145 liters of water to the mixture. So here's my water before we had 620 liters, and I'm going to add another 145, so I'm going to combine and extend my bar model a little longer with 145 liters. How much more water than syrup does he use for the lemonade? So if I want to know how much more, that means I need to find this area right over here. They leave it as a blank, and what I like to do sometimes is I like to put a circle here to represent that empty space. Alright, so in this problem, in order to find this empty space, we have to first combine the water together. So that's why we added the 620 plus the 145. So 620 plus 145 equals 765. Now that I know it's 765, what I like to do after that, I like to cross this out because I know together I have 765 for this entire water right over here. Okay, now in order for me to find how much more water than syrup does he use, this is a simple difference problem. I have 765 over here. I have 180 over here. I want to find the difference. So when I want to find the difference, I am subtracting. 765 minus 180 equals 585. And again, I like to put that right up here. So instead of the question mark now, I know the difference is 585 liters. So he uses 585 liters more water than syrup. Okay, so let's do one of these problems together. Now we're on 84. Here we go. A pet store donates 3,500 pounds of dog food to an animal shelter. So let's just first do that. Let's make a bar model for my pet store. And I'm going to put a P for pet store. And it donates 3,500 pounds of dog food. Okay. A farm donates 2,500 pounds of dog food at first. Alright, so let's do the farm now. So I know that 2,500 is smaller than 3,500, so I need to draw a smaller bar model for my farm. So here's my smaller bar model for my farm. I'm going to put an F for farm, and I'm going to put 2,500 to represent my farm. Okay, that's my next sentence. Next, later it donates another 2,000 pounds of dog food to the animal shelter. Alright, so then the farm donates another 2,000. So I'm just going to extend my bar model, and I'm going to put another 2,000 pounds of dog food for my farm. Oops, one more zero. Alright, and it says, how many more pounds of dog food does the farm donate than the pet store? So this is how much my farm donates. This is how much my pet store donates. I want to know how many more, which is a difference problem, and I want to put that in that empty circle right over here. Let's use a different color. So if I want to know how many more, that is a difference problem. I want to know the difference between the pet store and the farm. So the first thing I have to do is I need to add these two together, or combine these two bar mods together to get the entire farm. So that's the first thing I'm going to do. 2,500 plus 2,000. And I shouldn't have put the comma, but that's okay. Okay. And that gives me 0, 0 is 5 plus 0 is 5, and 2 plus 2 is 4. Okay, so now I know that my farm donates 4,500. And again, I like to get rid, I don't want to, I want to cross it out. Let's see if I can cross it out using this way. No. Alright, so what I like to do is I like to put that into my bar model. So these two together is 4,500. So I know right now that my farm, my entire farm donates 4,500. My pet store donates 3,500. So again, I want to find the difference between my farm and my pet store. And for me to find the difference, I need to subtract. So when I find the difference, I want to subtract. So I'm going to subtract my farm, which is 4,500. And I'm going to subtract that by the pet store, which is 3,500. Okay? 0 minus 0 is 0. 0 minus 0 is 0. 5 minus 5 is 0. And 4 minus 3, 4, 3, 2, 1 is 1. So right now I know that I have 1,000 more. So let's put that right in my bar model. Okay, so let's answer the question. How many more pounds of dog food does the farm donate than the pet store? Well, the farm donates 1,000 more pounds of dog food. Okay, and that's page 84.